Hello viewers, so today we're going to be discussing the fourth rule of indices, which is zero index rule. Zero index, and it is the fourth rule of indices. It says that if a or any number raised to power 0, it will be equal to 1. Now this rule is an extension of the second rule of indices, and if you have not seen that video, please go back to part 1 of this series to understand the second rule of indices. Now the second rule of indices says if a raised to power m is divided by a raised to power n, it will be equal to a raised to power m minus n. Again, if you're not familiar with this rule, please go to part 1 of this series in Laws of Indices to understand this rule. But for this illustration, for the illustration of this rule, we will have to start from the second rule. Now, let's say we are given to find 3 raised to power 0. We are told, according to the fourth rule, that is equal to 1. Anything raised to power 0 is equal to 1. But how do we come about this 1? It came from the second rule. Now let's find out. If we are given 3 raised to power 4 divided by 3 raised to power 4, according to the second rule of indices, it will be equal to, pick one base and say 3 raised to power 4 minus 4, which will be equal to 3 raised to power 0. But what will 3 raised to power 0 be equal to? Obviously, 3 divided by 4, 3 raised to power 4 divided by 3 raised to power 4 is the same thing as what? 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 3 divided by what? 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now 3 raised to power 4 means 3 in 4 places, which we have here, and this other one means 3 in 4 places, which we have here. Now if we divide this, divide this, divide this, divide this, we are left with what? 1, 1, which is equal to 1. Now because 3 raised to power 4 divided by 3 raised to power 4 is equal to 1, is equal to 1, and 3 raised to power 4 divided by 3 raised to power 4 is equal to, according to second rule of indices, is equal to what? 3 raised to power 0. Now we can simply say 3 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please stick around for the other series. Now we're going to be doing 5th law, 6th law, and 7th law. So continue to watch this series until you fully understand and we are done with indices. Thank you for watching.